Everybody, this is Chef Angelica. How are you today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am making a huge pot of lentils. They're just boiling away. We are making lentil loaves for my clients. So here's all the chopped veggies that are sauteing and getting nice and tender. The lentils and the veggies are going to be mixed together with a bunch of other amazing tasty ingredients. And we're going to make beautiful lentil loaves. Ooh, can't wait till they're done. I will show you. Everybody, hope you're having an amazing day. Everybody, this is Chef Angelica. So here's my mix for my lentil loaves. All those veggies that we're cooking are together, along with my lentils and all my little other ingredients like tamari and some tomato sauce and some soy sauce. Look at that. Some more herbs. I'm putting in fresh chopped rosemary, sage, and thyme. This has celery and carrots and garlic and, oh my God, onions, shallots, mushrooms. It has everything. Doesn't that look meaty? I use some of my mushroom broth. That's going to be good. But I also put in flaxseed and some oatmeal. These things are going to bind it and keep it together as well. Flaxseed meal. You can make a flaxseed egg with flaxseed meal and water. And you just get it to the consistency you want. So I did that. Here's one made in the loaf. I'm going to top it with a yummy glaze and put it in the oven at 350 for about, it depends, 30 to 45 minutes, how crisp you want it. It's going to be really yummy, great for leftovers. So working on my lentil loaves. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Here's the lentil loaf with the glaze on it. It's just been baked. It's brown around the middle. I make this amazing glaze that goes on top of it, made from apple cider vinegar and tomato sauce and tamari and some spices. It smells incredible. I'm going to take that out and cut it, and you can see what that looks like on a plate. Buddy, here's the lentil loaf. I pulled it out of the pan with the parchment papers, which makes it easy peasy. I like to slice it down the middle because it's like having two lentil loaves. Then you can slice and plate. And you can see here, look at that. Does that not look incredible? Look at all the carrots and veggies and everything in there. Oh, that's going to be so good. I'm going to make slices and plate it and show you what it looks like. Bon appetit. Buddy, here it is, all sliced and presented on a platter with some nice mashed cauliflower potatoes. Does that not look incredible? Look at those slices. And what we're going to do is add my amazing mushroom gravy. Look at that. I'm going to have a video for this one too because this is incredible. Look at that. Is that not amazing? That's a 3 mushroom gravy over this very satisfying, beautiful lentil loaf with mashed cauliflower. Ooh, yum. You'll find the recipe in the description. Please make this all holiday every week if you can. Great leftovers, sandwiches, hot, cold. It's an amazing vegan lentil loaf, the ultimate lentil loaf. Thank you for sharing, liking, and subscribing. Thank you for visiting my video.